the heart of the rainforest, where the trees stretch high into the sky, and the air is filled with the sound of rustling leaves and gentle raindrops, a little monkey named Milo swung from vine to vine. He was on a mission to meet all the wonderful creatures that called the rainforest their home. As he leaped onto a low-hanging branch, he saw a bright blue macaw spreading its wings. "Hello, Milo," the macaw squawked. "Are you exploring today?" "Yes, I want to meet all my rainforest neighbors," Milo replied excitedly. Just then, a slow-moving sloth stretched its arm to grasp a branch. "Be sure to take your time and enjoy the beauty around you," the sloth said in a sleepy voice. Milo giggled and continued his journey. On the ground below, he spotted a group of tiny, colourful, poison dart frogs hopping along the damp forest floor. "Be careful where you step," one of them crowed. "We're small but very special." Nearby, a graceful jaguar padded through the undergrowth. "Hello, Milo," she purred. "Did you know that I am the fastest hunter in the rainforest?" Milo gulped, but knew the jaguar wouldn't harm him. "That's amazing," he said before swinging away. In the river, a large anaconda slithered through the water. "Good day, Milo. The rainforest rivers are perfect for creatures like me," it hissed softly. Overhead, a noisy toucan with a rainbow-coloured beak called out, "I love my fruit. So many delicious treats grow in the rainforest." Milo smiled as he spotted a capybara relaxing by the riverbank. "I like to stay cool in the water," said the gentle capybara. "The rainforest can get very warm." Just then, a dazzling butterfly fluttered past, its wings shimmering in the sunlight. "I used to be a caterpillar, but look at me now," it said proudly. Deeper in the forest, Milo heard a rustling sound. He peeked through the leaves and saw a playful coati sniffing around for food. "My nose helps me find yummy snacks hidden in the ground," the coati explained. Above, a curious howler monkey let out a loud call. "I make sure everyone knows when the sun is rising," he said, his voice echoing through the trees. Milo then noticed a tapir waddling by. "I'm a great swimmer," the tapir said, "and I love munching on rainforest plants." A tiny tree frog clung to a leaf nearby. "I sleep during the day and wake up when the stars shine," it whispered. In the shadows, a quiet ocelot prowled. "I may be smaller than a jaguar, but I'm just as sneaky," the ocelot said with a grin. A group of marching leafcutter ants passed by, carrying pieces of leaves many times their size. We work together to bring food to our home, one of the ants said proudly. As the sun began to set, Milo realized he had met so many amazing friends in the rainforest. What a wonderful, magical place this is, he said happily. And as the rainforest hummed with life, Milo snuggled onto a branch, listening to the soothing sounds of his home, dreaming of his next adventure.
Thank you, friends, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.